Rest assured, no harm shall befall you. No sickness shall come near your dwelling, as Psalm 91 assures. Today, receive this divine message. Every sorrow that has clouded your heart will dissipate, replaced by joy, laughter, love, and abundant blessings. Watch this video to the end to claim this blessing in your life. Type Jesus and comment action if you believe. God speaks to you today, promising promotion, unprecedented opportunities, and open doors from the depths to the heights. Whatever was taken from you will return. Your days of lack are over. Every hindrance and harassment will be removed. Your needs have been addressed, and now your desires are next. Today heralds greatness. Expect the unexpected. Healing, restoration, and answered prayers are on the horizon. Get ready for breakthroughs, promotion, and restoration. Though challenges may have persisted, today could mark a sudden turnaround. God's glory will shine upon you, making you a beacon of His goodness. Stand firm, believe, hope, and declare His word, for blessings and favor are on their way. Type 11112 to affirm this divine promise. Brace yourself for God's amazing intervention this month. Your prayers have been heard. Miracles are imminent. Health will improve. Jobs will come. And your latter days shall surpass the former. God declares promotion and unprecedented opportunities for you. Doors are opening, stolen blessings are returning, and hindrances are being removed. Peace will reign amidst turmoil, and schemes against you will backfire. Trust in unseen workings, for they pave the way for your elevation. Type 2222 for confirmation. You needed a sign, and here it is. He ensured that this video crossed your path. As Psalm 46:10 advises, "Be still and know that I am God." Today, God urges you not to fret over matters beyond your control. People will act as they do, and jobs will fluctuate, but one certainty remains: He is God. The Lord safeguards you from all harm, vigilantly watching over your life, Psalm 121:7. God acknowledges your enduring struggles, financially, spiritually, and emotionally. Despite being mistreated and enduring betrayals, you persist amid storms because He is by your side. No weapon formed against you will prosper, He assures. Fear not, for He will turn things around, blessing you in the presence of adversaries. Maintain your faith. You've weathered countless trials in your life, often unseen by others. Despite your own pain, you've remained a pillar of strength for others, offering love and support. God sees your sacrifices and promises never to abandon you. This year, your household will experience His touch. Type 555 to affirm this promise. God is about to unveil marvelous blessings. He's orchestrated behind the scenes. Your struggles will give way to abundance. Prepare for a life of fulfillment with a new home, car, and abundant blessings. God is fighting your battles and arranging things in your favor. Today marks the beginning of breakthroughs. Anticipate unexpected blessings and good news. Type 9999 to affirm this. God beckons you to rise and commence your day, assuring His presence and blessings in all your endeavors. Success awaits your interviews and presentations. He will set you apart and provide you with the right words. Embrace this day with confidence, for God is opening doors for you. Please donate us $100 to support us. New doors are opening for you. God will restore all that you've lost. You will recover and bounce back stronger. Better days are on the horizon. Blessings are en route. Prepare to rejoice, for God is orchestrating something incredible. Though you may not perceive a way, God is already at work, fighting your battles. Breakthroughs are imminent, along with new beginnings, healing, and abundance. What appears permanent is but temporary. God is poised to turn things around. Type 777 to affirm this. God assures you of surprises in store. He has already arranged healing, freedom, and promotion. Suddenly, without warning, blessings will abound. Despite enduring with grace, praising through pain, and showing kindness to the unkind, your reward is imminent. Greater things are forthcoming, new opportunities, blessings, and breakthroughs. A fresh door is about to swing open, terminating present challenges and ushering in a rush of opportunities. Trust in divine timing. Your breakthrough is imminent. Today heralds miracles. Look ahead with hope. You are blessed and highly favored. Type 442 to affirm this. If you seek reassurance, know that everything will improve. Blessings, breakthroughs, healing, and financial increase are on the horizon. Trust in God's plan. He admires your resilience. Embrace destiny moments, for God is leading you to extraordinary places. Dysfunction, lack, and illness are dissipating. A turnaround is near. You're destined to reign over adversity, sickness, depression, and struggles. Healing, promotions, breakthroughs, and blessings await. Hold fast. Your hardship is guiding you toward blessings. Type 666 to affirm this. Today, God speaks to you with a plan for your life, assuring you that He surpasses the challenges you face. Having exhausted your efforts, He invites you to surrender to His guidance. Entrust your life to Him, and He will orchestrate solutions. Trusting Him ensures a journey beyond your capabilities. God promises to shift circumstances in your favor, aligning opportunities you couldn't create alone. Your role is to maintain faith, affirming His work, and anticipating blessings. This year embodies God's favor, and you stand on the brink of abundant blessings. You possess the potential to overcome obstacles, but it demands deep resolve and effort. Despite challenges, your destiny beckons. Greatness resides within you. Resist doubt and discouragement, for elevated levels await healing, freedom, abundance, and enriching relationships. Through prayer and faith, persevere without relenting. God assures He'll guide you to the finish line. Amidst life's stresses, God encourages enjoyment. Despite economic pressures, as a Christian, you can savor life with a clear conscience, secure in His love. Laughter in fellowship, genuine relationships, and embracing Jesus' teachings define true enjoyment. While some fear relinquishing worldly pleasures, God enriches life's experiences without deprivation. Remember, quitting signifies failure, and persistence under duress tests your faithfulness. Embrace perseverance, for it distinguishes the faithful who endure trials from those who falter. Just as a tiny acorn matures into a mighty oak, your resilience fosters growth and strength. An oak tree is simply an acorn that refuses to surrender. If you're navigating through tough times, take solace in this verse. That is why we never give up. Though our bodies are dying, our spirits are being renewed every day. For our present troubles are small and won't last very long. Yet they produce for us a glory that vastly outweighs them and will last forever. 2 Corinthians 4:16-17, NLT. God is more invested in your growth than your circumstances. He allows trials to instill diligence, determination, and character. The problems you face serve as a test of your faithfulness. Will you continue to serve God amidst life's challenges? Do not grow weary in doing good, for a harvest awaits at the proper time. Galatians 6:9. God offers a stimulus package. Prioritize Him, and He'll prioritize you. Matthew 6:33. Embrace the weight of your cross, for it bears the weight of your crown. Luke 9:23. Trust God with your destiny, for He has divine plans beyond imagination. Ephesians 1:4. Change necessitates dissatisfaction with the status quo. When you're fed up, turn to Jesus. He invites you. Come to me, all you who are weary and burdened, and I will give you rest. Matthew 11:28. Change often stems from pain, perspective shifts, or a lack of options. Breakdowns lead to breakthroughs. Believe in the possibility of positive change. Shifts in healing, abundance, love, and prosperity. Pray with conviction. thanking God for His presence, goodness, and blessings, seeking renewal, peace, and joy each day. Amen.